Welcome, I'm SD Kelley. I put this wreath together using mostly items from Dollar Tree. Keep watching if you want to see how I did it. I'm so glad to be getting these Christmas videos out. Of course, it may be a little bit late this time of year, but there's always next year and it'll be on time for then. And I really like the way that these projects turned out, so I didn't want to wait till next year to show you. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy watching arts and craft videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload something new. Feel free to follow me and tag me with related content on Instagram. My profile name there is SaggyCat, after a sweet cat named Sagittarius. I love picking up some of the cutest wall art ever at Dollar Tree. This Let It Snow sign will work great with this wreath, and I really like how the letters are actually made of metal. I purchased this grapevine wreath from a thrift store about a month ago, and now I'm just cutting the twine of this sign in half and I'm tying it onto the back of this wreath. I like grapevine wreaths for the fact that I can attach things and then detach things and change the look as the seasons or holidays change. Here I am just putting a red buffalo check infinity scarf and looping it around the top of the wreath, and you can tie it in knots to make it the length that you want or cut it and retie it. And that scarf did come from the Dollar Tree, by the way. And I'm also taking some ribbon from the Dollar Tree with these cute white polka dots. I'll place an iCard which will automatically put the link to my bow tutorial in the description below. To add a touch of that winter wonderland whimsical and magical flair, I'm adding some of this Dollar Tree snowflake garland, and I'm just taking it in bunches and pieces and then tying it to this bow. I glued some Dollar Tree pine cone ornaments and used the twine that was on the back of the ornaments to wrap around the end of these pieces of wooden skewers. And I'm going to just insert these pine cones in various places around the wreath. Earlier in the same day, I had made a Christmas tree out of garland strips. I did this by wrapping various pieces around 2 strips, and you can make really any size of Christmas tree, mini Christmas tree that is, using these garland pieces as I'm doing here, and just wrapping them around. And I used pliers to trim off the excess branches. I reused the scrap pieces to add fullness to this little tree. I picked up the Santa snow at Walmart for $1.97, and I'm going to take it outside and see how it works. I frosted the Christmas tree facing it top to bottom. And now I'm just making another bow, and I'm going to put it on this little basket that I got from a thrift store for 99 cents. And it's going to hold the tree that I just made. I layered some silver mesh ribbon over some red buffalo check ribbon. The silver mesh ribbon came from Dollar Tree. The red buffalo check came from Walmart. And I really like how this is going to tie in some of the silver that's on the wall art piece, and that's going to be throughout the wreath. I used a silver pipe cleaner to put the pieces of this bow together, and I'm just going to loop it through holes in the basket or just in between the weaves of the basket to attach the bow onto the front. I just use a simple piece of twine just to tie the basket onto the wreath. And now I have something to hold my Christmas tree. Here I'm taking the snowman head ornament from the Dollar Tree and gluing a craft stick onto the back so I can insert it into the wreath. Next, I took a piece of scrap ribbon, it's that wired buffalo check piece, and I created a scarf to look like it was blowing in the wind. In the floral section at Dollar Tree, I picked up some mini pine cones and some other little natural potpourri looking pieces. I'm taking some more of that garland and some of that snowflake garland that I used earlier, and I'm just creating a little bit of a floral piece to add to the bottom of the wreath. I'm doing 3 pieces like this, and I'm going to join them together. I used a foot-long piece of green floral wire to tie the bunches together. I then frosted this piece from facing top to bottom with the Santa snow, and I did some pine cones as well. I'm adding this adorable Dollar Tree clip-on ornament to add some more silver sparkle and shine to this wreath. After I inserted the pine cones, I just went around the wreath with some fairy lights. If you liked today's video, I hope that you'll give it a big thumbs up, comment on, and share this video with everyone that you know. Also, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. You'll find my social media links in the description below. Again, I'm SD Kelley, and I thank you for watching.